Hi all, welcome to another Source Sounds video. It's Paul here, and as you can see in the shot there's Chris. So what we've got is this 2024 plate Peugeot Boxer Motorhome that we've done some really cool toys on. So I'm going to talk you through what we've done now just briefly. So we've done a KENWOOD DNR992RVS screen. We've actually retained the factory camera on the back, and we've added some side cameras on this vehicle. And the cool thing with this is actually retains or actually works when you turn on your left and right indicators. It displays you. Now I'm going to just hand over to Chris and we're going to get inside the vehicle and show you what's what.
Right, let's show you inside now.
Okay, so we're now inside the vehicle. I'll turn the ignition on. I'll let Chris talk you through what we've done.
On the actual radio we've done a Peugeot boot up logo. We've managed to retain the factory reversing camera that was installed on the vehicle from manufacture. In addition to the actual reversing camera, we've also managed to install a left and a right. So if we click onto the left indicator, it shows down the left side or the blind spot of the vehicle. If we turn the indicator off, give it a couple of seconds, in fact, let's just put the normal radio on. So this has got the Apple CarPlay. If you then indicate left, it's then showing the left blind spot of the vehicle. Whilst using the camera, you can always go to the right camera, left camera, rear camera, even dash camera. The KENWOOD radio's got additional features of a DAB radio, USB SD card, HDMI in, Bluetooth streaming, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. For more information on upgrading your Peugeot Boxer or any other Fiat base vehicle, please give the guys at Source Sounds a call on 0114 257 1550 or email sales@sourcesounds.com. Thank you for watching.